From scientist to social entrepreneur, Eugenia Rojas founded Boston STEM Lab to empower young students, especially children and girls from underrepresented communities.
I believe that the more we make science available for our society, the more normalized it will become, and that can contribute to reducing the stereotype or the conception that science is only for white men or for extremely intelligent, genius people, but actually science is for everyone. And so by targeting the youngest curious minds, you give an opportunity to adults to rediscover science with a new eye, but also you normalize it, showing that even the youngest kids, independently of their background or their genders, can go for it.
According to the U.S. Department of Labor, women are statistically underrepresented across STEM occupations, as only 27% of women make up the STEM workforce, 19% of women are company board members, and only 3% of women are CEOs in STEM.
So it is clear that we still need to do some work to bring STEM careers to a level where there's equal participation. So I believe that if we empower, the youngest curious minds and the parents around those children, we can help reduce the gap in participation in STEM careers.
A study conducted by the Pew Research Center last year shows Black and Hispanic groups continue to make up a lower share of STEM workers in the country, which is why, as a Mexican woman, Rojas is on a mission to help change that by also working to uplift Latin American students who are underexposed to STEM programs.
It's not only for me about bringing that safe space for children, but also actually bring that safe space for children from undeserved communities, from all backgrounds, and to empower especially, the youngest curious minds. But I do put a focus on trying to target not only the privileged students that I definitely work with, but also those that not always have the opportunity to participate in such programs. And so I have received in my community some funding to provide scholarships, and I created a class that is known as Girls STEM Club, where children of all genders and all backgrounds are welcome.
Rojas hopes to close the gap and break stereotypes through her inclusive programs that encourage children into STEM careers from an early age. Reporting for SAI Special Reports, I'm Victoria Gonzalez.